Hi everybody, welcome to Health channel. Today we are going to check the properties of almond. Almond is a plant native to Central Asia, but it is cultivated in many regions. This tree has a hard edible seeds that consists of a hard outer shell and a soft shell. The height of the almond tree is 4 to 10 meters and its diameter can reach 30 centimeters. The largest almond producing countries in the world are America and Spain. 49% of almond seeds are composed of oil, of which 62% is unsaturated oleic acid, 24% is unsaturated linoleic acid, and 6% is saturated palmitic acid. The amount of energy in 100 grams of almonds is 576 kilocalories. There are two types of almonds: sweet almonds, which are ground for edible nuts, and bitter almonds, which are ground for almond oil. The almond tree has a rose-like flowers with 5 white petals that are pinkish at the base. Almond trees have crown of leaves throughout the growing season. The leaves are narrow and conical with a glossy upper surface and slight indentations along the margin. Flower buds and leaf buds appear in late winter and early spring. Almond flowers are mainly pollinated by bees, and after the formation of the fruit, the skin covering the fruit is green and velvety. As the fruit matures, its seed, skin, and skin texture are differentiated. Almonds are often consumed raw or roasted, and are also available sliced and type of flour. Almonds are added to some foods, cookies, and desserts. Also, almonds can be substituted for milk, and this product called almond milk is for people with lactose intolerance and vegans. Almond oil is made from bitter or sweet almonds. Sweet almond oil is used in beauty products, and bitter almond oil contains benzaldehyde, which is used as a food flavoring and in the production of perfumes. Bitter almond kernels contain small amounts of cyanuric acid and vitamin D, which can be poisoned if a person consumes them in large quantities. Consuming 5 to 10 bitter almonds in children and up to 50 in adults can cause severe poisoning. Sweet almonds are recommended as a good source of protein among healthy foods by the United States Department of Agriculture. Some properties of sweet almonds. Number 1. Properties of almond kernels for men. Performance and enhancement of sexual power is very important for men of any age. Although the natural process of life has a negative effect, but using a healthy diet can delay the process. The sexual performance of men directly depends on the level of testosterone hormone, which properties of almonds have a positive effect on its growth. Since the past, almonds have been used to increase men's sexual health due to the presence of selenium, zinc, and vitamin E. Also, the omega-3 fatty acids of almonds help to improve blood flow in men's sexual organs. Based on scientific research, the properties of maintained almonds have been proven due to the presence of organic in dealing with blood vessels and erectile dysfunction. Number 2. Almonds are good for teeth. One of the most important benefits of almond is its positive effect on maintaining the health of teeth. Almonds are considered a very nutritious snack and are free of sugar compounds. Therefore, it does not create plaque on the surface of a person's teeth. This property of almonds, due to the presence of calcium and protein in it, helps to protect teeth against harmful bacteria that cause periodontal diseases. Number 3. Reducing the level of bad cholesterol by consuming soaked almonds. Some people are used to eating raw or roasted almonds, but others use them soaked. The benefits of almond in this way ensure the health of the digestive system and help fight cancer. Available nutrients and the taste of almonds are enhanced in this state. softening of the outer layers of almonds due to soaking, easier digestion, and as a result, faster absorption of micronutrients. The property of peeled almonds is to release an enzyme for fat digestion called lipase. Also, the continuous consumption of this nutrient in a soaked form helps to increase the body's metabolism. By consuming soaked almonds in the beginning of the morning, help reduce the level of bad cholesterol and also reduce your weight. The presence of plant compounds, potassium and magnesium significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 4. Properties of almonds for stomach and constipation. Another benefits of almonds is helping maintain stomach health. Eating a handful of almonds or drinking a glass of almond milk can greatly help the digestive system against a painful disease such as constipation in people. Also, another property of almonds is to help create healthy bacteria in the intestine and help in the process of food digestion as well as fighting diseases. Unlike yogurt probiotics, which are responsible for adding healthy bacteria to the stomach, the probiotics in almonds are indigestible and remain in the stomach. Therefore, other properties of almonds are helping to treat stomach ulcers. Number 5. Strengthen hair with almonds. Almonds contain 4% water, 22% carbohydrates, 21% protein, and 50% fat. The fats are oleic acid, linoleic acid, and omega-6 fatty acids. The presence of useful fats, B vitamins, riboflavin, thiamine, niacin, and vitamin E, protein, fiber, calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, and folate in almonds help to maintain hair health. Also, another property of almonds is to prevent premature graying of hair. The accumulation of hydrogen peroxide in the hair bulb and the loss of pigments are the main causes of hair graying. The properties of almonds, which are rich in catalyst antioxidant, prevent this process. The presence of various vitamins and fatty acids leads to the nutrition of the follicles, which helps in healthy hair growth. The presence of magnesium, and as a result helping to increase the thickness of hair, as well as the presence of biotin, provides other benefits of almonds. That means repairing hair brittleness. Number 6. Properties of almonds for the skin. Protection of cells against the destructive effects of free radicals caused by pollution, ultraviolet rays of the sun, cigarette, smoke, etc. is one of the properties of almonds. The presence of zinc in almonds helps skin health, and riboflavin, niacin, and vitamins B are needed to maintain natural skin. Also, to strengthen skin pigmentation, we need copper, which is present in almonds. Number 7. Strengthen brain health. This dry fruit consists of riboflavin and L-carnitine, which are nutrients for the brain. Almonds increase brain activity and play a role in creating the neural pathways and reduce the possibility of Alzheimer's disease. Number 8. Improve bone health. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and large amounts of phosphorus. Phosphorus has a significant effect on the strength and durability of bones and teeth and prevents age-related diseases such as osteoporosis. Number 9. Strengthening the immune system. The human body has many compounds that maintain the overall health of the body and the alkalinity of its environment. Almonds are a rich source of alkaline substances, which are very suitable for increase the strength of body's immune system, which increases the ability to eliminate diseases. And number 10, prevent diabetes. Almonds reduce the sudden increase in glucose and insulin levels after meals. The blood sugar of people with diabetes may change greatly with each meal. These changes are dangerous for the body. Consuming almonds can be effective in preventing dangerous changes in blood sugar. Almonds play a role in regulating the glucose absorption process and make the absorption process easier. The harm of consuming too much almonds for the body. Number 1. It reduces the absorption of nutrients. Excess fiber can bind to other minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, and iron and cause disruption in their absorption in the blood. Number 2. It can lead to allergies. After walnuts and cashews, almonds cause the most sensitivity among nuts. Almondin is a type of protein found in almonds, which is considered as an allergenic substance. It may cause oral allergy syndrome in certain people. Its symptoms include itchy mouth, itchy throat, a swelling of the mouth, tongue, and lips. Number 3. It can lead to excessive absorption of vitamin E. It is very unlikely to overdose on vitamin E just by eating almonds. It is important to be aware of its consequences. Excessive consumption of vitamin E can cause problems in blood coagulation. Number 4. Kidney stone formation. Almonds are rich in oxalates that are soluble in the intestine, compounds that may play a role in kidney failure and kidney stone formation. 100 grams of roasted almonds contain 469 milligrams of oxalate. Number 5. It leads to an increase in body toxins, especially their bitter varieties can lead to cyanic poisoning. The level of hydrocyanic acid in bitter almonds is 4 times higher than in sweet almonds. Hydrocyanic acid can lead to respiratory problems, nervous breakdown, suffocation, and even death. Therefore, it is considered a serious food ban for pregnant and lactating women. At the end, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question about almonds, ask in comment section. Give us energy with your likes and share it with your friends so that they can also use this information. Our wish is your health, and have a nice day.